to a new video. Today is vlogmas day 7, I think, and today I'm going to be working on my holiday bundle. I'm going to be making 3 glosses, a clear gloss, and 2 glittery shimmery type glosses. Very, very pretty. I already decided on how I'm going to do them, and I already have my gloss ready with my oils. I just have to mix them up, and I'm going to be using peppermint, cookies and cream, and cheesecake flavors for these 3 glosses. If you want to see the process of me making these glosses, make sure you continue watching. If you are new, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. Leave a snowflake emoji in the comments. Engagement does help. First, I'm going to start off by mixing the oils in so we can get that nice consistency. Nice and smooth, super moisturizing. If you know, you know. And to shop our glosses, make sure you click the link in the description box, sha'nayasbeautybar.com. We have lots of glosses available.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you.
Now that we have the gloss all mixed up, I'm going to split the gloss into 3 bowls. Make sure it's equal. All right, we got the pigment. Let's go ahead and start with the first gloss.
I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from these beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you, you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish you wait. We didn't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you.
Here is the gloss. It's so pretty. So the next one is going to be a red. Here is the next gloss. This is so pretty. So I'm gonna change my gloves because we have a bunch of glitter on them. Then I'll be right back and we can add the flavor. And then I'm gonna fill a tube with the gloss so y'all can see how it looks inside the tube. The clear one is going to be peppermint scented. I gotta come up with some names. I need some names. This one is new. Got a new thing of cookies and cream. Let's see, which one should be cookies and cream scented? I guess we can do the red one, cookies and cream scented. Why not? Why not? Last gloss, the blue gloss is going to be cheesecake scented. And y'all already know all of my bundles are very, very limited. Once y'all see this video, the bundle will be available. So y'all will literally be the first ones to know. So if you're interested, make sure you go shop, okay? Now it's time to get the tubes out and start filling. I'm going to be putting these snowflakes inside of the clear gloss.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an ever since we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Make a wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself.
Here are the glosses and the syringes. Now I have to attach the pockets and then we'll be ready to start filling.
We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and a night day. All I wanna hear is an ever since we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Make a wish away. Really, really
Here is the first gloss. Once again, it is clear, peppermint scented, and it just has some pretty snowflakes inside. Super moisturizing and hydrating. Here is the second gloss. Cookies and cream scented. This is definitely giving holiday vibes. This gloss, which is cheesecake scented. This is pretty. This is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, this one just might be my favorite. So these are the 3 glosses in our holiday bundle this year. And here they are together. Let me go ahead and get the swatches together and then we'll be done. All right, so here are the swatches of the 3 glosses. These are so pretty. Once again, these are the glosses and the swatches. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in these glosses or any of our other glosses, make sure you click the link in the description box, nightsbeautybar.com, and shop. We also offer wholesale and lip scrubs. But yeah, I will see you all tomorrow.